Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm in Wilderness State Park, and at the park headquarters they have this FS Modulator 3012 mounted in the back by the garages. Looks like most Sirens here. It's one of the 3 cells, has 2 antennas. You can see the warning signs and the FS logo on the bottom of it. And then here's the controllers, heavy duty safety switch, and then here's all the cables. There's like grounding, and then there's like the heavy duty safety switch, grounding, and there's the wire conduit going up to the Siren. There's also the antenna cable and the grounding cable. Over here, you can see the other FS logo and apparently the ID tag. And that's pretty much it for this modulator. But I do know that I noticed while driving here, there's this antenna mast, and right up there I believe is the antenna that sets off the Sirens. I'm not exactly sure where the controller is, but I can see the antenna going all the way down and looks like it loops up, goes in right around there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this area. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again some other time. Bye for now.